with it that way, so I had it switched back to the big bed. Oh, and these are very interesting. I've really gotten to like these. I'll turn all the lights off at night when I'm working or blogging or whatever, and I'll just have this little light on, and it's very nice. The TV is beautiful. You've got a big mirror over here on over the desk. The TV is beautiful. There's something like 245 movies or something like that. And but very few stations and no weather information or map to show where the ship's position is, which is very strange. We'll go out on the balcony in just a minute. I want to finish inside the room here. Okay, going around the room. You've got another big full-length mirror. I really like the room. I like a lot about the room. Really, I would say the only shortcoming is in the bathroom. And again, I'm solo, so it's not a big deal. You got your thermostat control there. Now, the bathroom is beautiful, but the sink is a very strange shape, and because of that, things get lost under the sink, in behind the sink. And not only that, you see there's literally only 2 feet of counter space to the right of the sink. And the rest of it is standard tiny space for a toilet and a shower. Now, I absolutely love the shower. You've got your wand here, your shower head that you could scrape barnacles off the hull of the ship with that. You've got shampoo and conditioner and body wash, and also Virgin supplies you with bar soap, which is wonderful. Standard issue clothesline in the shower when you wash your clothes. And this beauty right here. So it's fantastic. You can get, you take your shower, and then you have to be careful because they always turn this thing, and I'm inevitably squirting myself out the door here. So, it's tight, but I really love the shower. Like I said, really the only thing that I don't care for is the tiny counter. And it's really not a big deal for me because I'm a solo traveler. And once again, big mirror and nice lighting. All right. Now you see, as always, I brought my hooks. So you got your daily schedule and anything important about disembarkation or whatever. I've had letters up there, etc. Okay. I like all the little, things to help you work in bed, etc. Oh, I should talk about this. You can turn the lights on and off. You have tons of USB ports and electrical outlets. That is fantastic. So here you go. Got some more here. And you can take a look here. I'll close my laptop. So you've got American outlets as well as European. If you bring an adapter, you can use both. So, and that goes right into the thing. Oh, while we're here, we might as well talk about this. This controls everything in the room. Whoops, don't call emergency services. That is probably my biggest complaint, is I'm always banging the wrong thing on there. So I'm going to hit this button here. And by the way, it will do this automatically at night. It'll open the, you come in if you've been away, and it'll automatically open them. Hit this button again, this open curtains. Here you go. And that's pretty neat. I really haven't played with it that much. So now you can hit this button here, all lights, and all the lights in the room go out. And again, you can hit all lights and turn all the lights on. It does not appear to be all the lights on. So we can, like I say, we can use a switch. Inevitably, I am fighting with the lights in this room, but that's okay. So again, your TV switch, like I said, 250 movies. This channel here really doesn't do anything. I'm guessing that this will someday be the map and the weather. Sports 24, Fox News, MSNBC, BBC HD, BBC News, and this one is literally just the program for the day. Not very exciting at all. Okay. They could record the morning show and just put it on there because they basically walk you through the program anyway in the morning show, so they might as well just record it and put it on there. So if you hit room controls, you've got your lighting control, your desk light. You can literally turn things on and off with it. You can change the color of the lights. Oh, sorry, this is the bedroom temperature. Sorry, that's the thermostat. But you can change the color of the lights as well. All right. So this is pretty much how I live day to day. You got some cubbies. Oh, I didn't talk about this. You've got a little fridge here. You put a couple things here, some more fresh water. They're always bringing me water, so after a couple days they realized I needed more than just one. Then they gave me 2, and now they give me 3. I should also mention you can put your luggage right underneath the bed. Plenty of room, really, especially for a solo person. So there are also controls for the lights and the curtains here. So you don't have to use the tablet if you don't want to. Let's take a look. And it's something that I absolutely love. So the table and chairs, nice. It's a big balcony, feels like to me. This hammock is absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love it. So, and this is deck 10 aft. It's what they assigned me. Maybe it's considered limited view, but it's beautiful. I have no complaints. It's absolutely gorgeous. Coming back in.